If you want to access Teams online, then you first have to open a browser like Google Chrome and go to the page portal.supportcenter.dk. And here you have to log in with your Unilogin username, but your ITS password. Once inside the ITS portal, you have to press on Go to Office 365. You navigate up to the left bar up here in the left corner and press on Teams or open a new tab. And here you see the online environment of Microsoft Teams. Down here in the left corner, you see this button, which allows you to download Teams as an app on your PC or Mac.